In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change clothes in Heygen, Avatar Customization 2025. Start by opening your web browser and going to Google. In the search bar, type Heygen, then hit Enter. From the results, click the official Heygen website so you land on the app homepage. Once you're in, look for the Create button. Click it to start a new project, then choose Create a Video. Next, select the option to create an AI studio. This opens the main editor where you'll build your scene and control your avatar. If you're prompted to sign in, just follow the on-screen steps. The editor will load right after. With the editor open, focus on the right-hand panel. Scroll or expand the sections until you find Appearance or Outfit. Depending on minor interface updates, the wording can vary slightly, but it will be the place where you control clothing and styling for the avatar. A quick note before you switch looks. Studio avatars use preset outfits. You won't be able to upload your own clothing or import custom garments here. Instead, Heygen provides curated wardrobe themes designed to look clean and consistent on camera. The benefit is reliability, no clipping issues, and a look that's optimized for the avatar's body and motions. Now, choose from the available clothing sets, such as business, casual, smart, or tech. Click through them to preview how each one changes your avatar's vibe. Think about your audience and message. Business suits formal presentations and tutorials. Casual works well for friendly intros and social content. Smart offers a polished but relaxed style, and tech gives a modern, innovative look. If your background has strong colors, consider an outfit that contrasts enough to keep the avatar clear and readable. When you've found the look you want, click Apply if you see the button, or simply continue editing your video. In many cases, the change applies instantly. Play a short section in the preview to confirm the outfit appears correctly in all scenes. If you're using multiple scenes, keep the outfit consistent to avoid visual jumps, or purposefully switch between scenes to signal a change in topic. That's all you need to change clothes in Heygen. You searched for Heygen, opened the AI studio, located the appearance or outfit controls, picked a wardrobe theme, and applied it. Keep these tips in mind as you build future projects, and you'll maintain a professional, on-brand look every time.